Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix it when your Steam game isn't updating. Maybe it's stuck at 0%, saying preparing to update, or just not downloading at all. Don't worry, I've got you covered. First, restart both Steam and your computer. Sometimes the update queue gets frozen in the background, and a quick restart helps refresh everything. Close Steam completely by right-clicking the icon on your taskbar and selecting Exit. Then restart your PC, reopen Steam, and try updating the game again. The other thing you need to check is your download cache. Go to the top left corner of Steam and click on Steam, then select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click on Downloads, and then choose Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart after this step. And once you log back in, many update problems are already gone. If it still doesn't update, change your download region. Go to the top left corner of Steam and click on Steam again, then select Settings. When the Settings window appears, click on Downloads and look for Download Region. Choose a nearby country or city from the list. This helps because sometimes your default region server is overloaded, and switching to a different one refreshes the connection and fixes the issue. Another step to check is whether Steam has enough permission to update files. Close Steam completely, then right-click the Steam shortcut on your desktop and select Run as administrator. This gives Steam the full access it needs to apply updates without interruptions. And if you've tried all that but your game still won't update, go to your library, right-click the game, click Properties, then open Installed Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game and automatically fix or re-download any missing or broken files. Then your update should complete smoothly. That's it. These simple steps will help you fix any Steam game that's stuck updating. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick Steam tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.